Hello everyone, welcome to another coding exercise session. We would like to write a program that reads the favorite color of a user and it display them. So we are for that because colors there are names and there's a sequence of letters and characters. We need to have a string. To do that, we have a vector of type string colors that is named colors, and we have a string named color, and we have an integer that is n. So we first ask the user to tell us how many favorite colors do you have. And for example, the user says 2, 3, etc. We are going to store it in here using cin function. And then we are going to ask the user one by one to give us the color that you would like to insert. So we are asking it to enter your favorite color, and we have a for loop starting from 0 until I is lower than n, and whatever the user is mentioning, we are saving it, storing it using the get line syntax to the color, and which is a string, and this color is now pushed back to the vector colors, okay, every time. So if initially it says that I have 3 favorite colors, it is going to iterate 3 times, and then when it iterates 3 times, each time it is asking enter your favorite color. You say, for example, green, then another one blue, then another one red, and these colors are one by one added to this vector. And then we are simply just printing all the elements. We are having a for loop going through all the elements of the colors vector, and we are printing them. So let me just print also endl here. So imagine that it says how many colors, how many favorite colors do you have? I say 2, enter, and then it is asking now enter your favorite color. So when I have 2, I is going to get values 0 and I equals 1. Okay, so now I say green, and then I say blue. So when I say green, green is pushed back to the colors vector, and then I enter, and then blue, I enter blue. So blue is now pushed back to the colors vector, and then we are displaying your favorite colors are, and we are going through all the elements. We're iterating over all the elements of the colors vector, and we are printing them. This is very simple, but we learned and we reviewed how to push back, how to read strings from the user, and how to print strings from a vector of type string in this example. Thank you for watching.